Well, I guess this song has been a hit a couple times here. And it's really great that that happens to you. That's happened to me. It's really a pretty incredible thing. So, I'm sure you guys all know this song. This is Iris. Forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't want to go home right now, 'cause all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. When sooner or later it's over, I just don't want to miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. Where everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. Tears that ain't coming, or the moment of truth in your eyes. So when everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. Where everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. So when everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. Thank you. There was no way I was going to hit that high note. You got the intimate special version. This is an older song. It's a song, actually, I do have a real story about this song. So, this is a song about the neighborhood that I grew up in. And when I felt like I had enough time and distance between me and that place, I felt brave enough to write this song. Broadway's dark tonight, living weaker than we used to be. Broadway's dark tonight. See the young man sitting in the old man's bar, waiting for his turn to die. Cowboy kills a rock star. Friday night's gone too shouting when you think you're a joke.